Good morning, children. This is the sixth lesson for 10th standard, the last lesson. It is written by a French novelist, Alphonse Daunt. This is you, Alphonse Daunt. This is a lesson which says the importance of the language. So when the teachers are taking lesson, mostly, generally, some people are not concentrated and they are losing the lessons and they are not knowing the importance of the subject what they have taken. When the times come only, they realize this is about a particular period when there was a war about French and Prussia. War between French and Prussia. The countries which are under the Prussia are German and what are the other countries? Germany, Poland and parts of Austria. The three countries are along with, this is Prussia all together. The olden days it was known as Prussia when the war has happened. Now what are the countries belong to that? Present we are seeing Germany, Poland and Austria, some of the parts of Austria. Together they are united in the name of Prussia and they attacked French. So in the battle, what's the consequence, what's the result means? French was defeated. So some of the parts are captured by Prussia and they not only captured the territories, they want to imbibe their language, that is Germany, as well as their culture to the people, those who belong to French. Children, I just think over that you can understand, okay? So the particular places are captured by Prussia and not only they captured the territories and they made their own place and they want to imbibe, that is, bring their culture and their language. What's the language of Prussia? German. So they insist the people to learn the German language instead of French. Before that they are learning French. Instead of French they want to learn Germany and they have to follow the culture of Germany people. Okay. So this is said and the same thing was written in the bulletin. In the center there was a news board like this. Whatever the incidents happened the particular day or the next day, that will be written there. So people used to stand there and listen. Through that only, no magazines, no papers like that. So they will convey the message like that. They will convey the message. The important events are written on the board. The board is known as what? Bulletin. Bulletin means news board. That board they used to write. So they came to know the last moment only, the narrator of the lesson as well as the French people, they realized the importance of French and they are giving the farewell to the French language and for the culture. This is the lesson. This is the last lesson. The Tsar was taken for the children. Here is a character. He was not at all listening the French because he feel bored until he listen the language. But after that, when the particular person, when the Tsar has insisted what has happened, he felt sorry for that. Who felt sorry? The narrator of the story felt sorry. And he was very attentive in the class. When you are attentive in the class, you can understand what the teacher has taken, what she has explained, everything. But this narrator, he was not at all interested in the French class. So he didn't even pay the importance to the French class. So not only that, even sometimes the sir, he sent the boy, the narrator, to pour the water for the plants. And some other personal works also, he utilized the narrator. So both the side fault is there. One, the narrator was not interested in listening the French class. Other point is, sometimes the teacher, he used to ask the boy for some other personal works. Utilize the boy for some other personal works. Because of these two reasons, he is not interested. When the teacher said, this is the last day for the French class, this is the last lesson what I am taking, not only the narrator, all the boys felt sad and they listened because so far their country was French, their language was French, the culture belonged to French only. Now they have to go for the new culture, new language, everything. They said goodbye to the French. This is the experience what was given and says the importance of mother tongue of every child. So from this moral we want to, from this lesson, not only the personal experience of the narrator, it's by your own story only. Not only it says the own story as to us, it imbibes a moral to us. That means, so this is the time, whenever the time comes, you have to learn the subject. That too, you are the public exam students. So whenever the time is there, whenever the teachers have taken lesson, you have to follow up. Even you could not follow, you can clear the doubts through phone or some other thing. Okay, what are the things you are not followed? You have to make a note and keep separate. When the regular classes started, you can explain. You can ask us and I can explain what it is. Clear, children? Shall we go to the lesson? We'll see what are the important characters in the lesson. This is written by Alphonse Daudet. So, actually Dot, and this is the French language. So, he is teaching, he is a novelist, French novelist, essayist, everything. He too felt sad for the Germany present in the French area. Clear? Shall we go to the lesson? This lesson is about what the war between France and Prussia. There was a war between France and Prussia. Then what are the countries involved under the name of Prussia? At present, what are the countries? It is Germany, Poland, and some of the parts of Austria, not Australia, Austria. It is the part of Germany now also. It's a neighbor of Germany. Okay, some of the parts, not entire Austria, some parts. So, war between France and under Prussian, what are the countries involved? Germany, Poland and Austria. Altogether it was known as Prussia only in the olden days. Now only it's separated into Germany, Poland and Austria. Okay, so the war was broken between France and Prussia. They captured, that is, who defeated in this? France defeated. France was defeated by Prussia. And some of the places of France was captured by Prussia. Okay, the lesson started now. So as usual, when they captured the place, certainly whoever maybe they want to imbibe their language, their style, everything to the captured area. So the same like the Germany also, Prussia also decided, and they declared that from tomorrow, from particular day onwards, they have to follow only Germany. They no need to learn French. Germany is the official language. They introduced like that. So, shall we go to the lesson now? Who is the French master? That is teacher. French teacher is Mr. Hamel. He is a French teacher. He only taught French for the 40 years in the same place. Same school, 40 years, near that is from the window you have seen, how can we see the plants and all from our window side? The same like they have to see the window, we can see the plants, and he has cultivated all the plants, he only sowed the seeds, he only watered the plants, and the plants, everything, the beautiful scene it is to see. So children almost, they listen the surrounding, they are not concentrating when they start taking the lesson. This is said by, actually, the story is written by Alphonse, but the narrator of the story is, okay, let me go for the lesson. I started for school very late. Who said the story to us? The narrator. I started for the school very late that morning and was in a great need of scolding, especially because M. Hamel had said that he would question us on the participle, and I did not know the first word about the French grammar. So, he is interested, Mr. Hamel, who is the French teacher, is interested in the grammar. What he told the children in the next class is going to ask participles. He is going to ask the spellings, subject of participle. What is participle? We have studied, no? Maybe English should have studied in the primary classes, that is 7th, 8th, 9th and even the beginning also Premlata Miss took for us, no? That is present participle, past participle, future participle. This is the grammar in English. The same like, there is a grammar for the French also. So, the Sir said he will be questioning tomorrow about French grammar, that is participle. The narrator, who is the narrator? Narrator name is not given. Here we will see at the last, at least it is given. The narrator is very weak in French and he doesn't know the spellings even for the grammar. For the moment, I thought of running away and spending the day out of the doors. When the Sir announced he has to take the class tomorrow, he will question about the participles. What he think over, immediately he has to run away from the classroom. Out of the doors means what? Within the place we are here means that is within the classroom. When you are going out of the class, this is out of the doors. You want to run away out of the doors. But the other side, if he come out of the class, what are the beautiful scenes he has to see? There is no cold atmosphere of classroom. It is a warm atmosphere. The birds are chirping. Chirping means what? Making sounds. And the edge of the woods and the open field back, the sawmill, the Persian soldiers were drilling. There is a sawmill. Sawmill means what? Where the wood and all by cut by the thing, no, saw. Saw means rambam solluvom Tamilla, the wooden were cut. That sound and all you can hear. So, totally, the narrator admired the beauty of the nature. He wants to hear, he wants to be in the nature. Then since where the nature occurred, he doesn't want to be in the classroom. That too mainly in the French classroom. It was all much more tempting than the rule for the participle, but I had the strength to resist and hurried off to school. He was worrying about, the next day he was getting ready to go to school. He was worrying about what the question he is going to ask, how he is going to answer. He doesn't know. Then he has to go for the school forcibly, Even if he is at home, parents will not admit him to be there. So forcibly he has to go for the school. He was walking to the school very slowly. When I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. So where is the bulletin board? Bulletin means what? Magazine, news. Where is the bulletin board? It is in town hall. The center where all the people can able to see. It is located in center. So what are the things for the last 2 years? So the bulletin board was placed before, just 2 years before only. What are the news placed in that? All our bad news had come from there. Bad news, battle. What are the last of the battles? The draft, the orders of commanding officer. That is the war broke between Germans, Prussia and French. That time only the bulletin board was kept in the town hall to inform the people what are the things happening in the battle, whether who defeat or who succeed. So what are the bad news? What was the orders of the commander, the chief of the army. Everything is written in that. Okay, so underline the thing. This one question for us. What are the things placed on the bulletin board? All bad news. That is from the battlefield. The last of battles, the draft and the orders of commanding officer. All the 4 items were announced in the bulletin board. Everybody should stand there and they read the thing, what are the things written in the bulletin board. And I thought to myself without stopping, what can be the matter now? He doesn't know. Because he's a small boy, he doesn't know what the matter. He wants to read. Then as I hurried by fast as I could go, so he was walking very fastly because already it's late at home. He was going because already is very late. Not only that, the French master, because he's very weak in the French, he always used to scold the narrator. So he was going fast. So who are the people around there? The people are around the thing, the blacksmith. They are the people who are in the area. Blacksmith, carpenters, I think so. Blacksmith is a kind of person who are doing some profession. Watcher, that is watch repairer. And is apprentice, helping. All are standing there reading the bulletin. Called after me, don't go fast. You will get to your school in plenty of time. They just made a fun of him because he's going to the school late only. They said, don't go in a hurry. You go slowly because you got much of time to go to school. I thought he was making fun of me and reached M. Hamel's little garden all out of breath. So beside the garden, what is there? There is beside the garden only the French hall is there. It's going very hurriedly. Usually when the school began, there was a great bustle. Generally, When the school started, the prayer, after prayer, you have to settle down in the classes, and teachers have to enter the class, will say good morning. Teachers will say, and the students, we have to control the class. There was lot of things in the class. Now, you know how the school atmosphere. Generally, in the French, all the school atmosphere is same like ours only. But that day, that is a particular day, when the bulletin was placed there, everybody was very silent. It doesn't seem to be, it is a classroom. Classroom means there should be children's noise, teachers controlling, shouting, classes, taking classes, and always they used to hit on the table with the stick. Nothing is the pin drop silence present in the school, the classroom. He was getting worried what happened to the school. So usually when the school began, there was a great bustle which could be heard out in the street. Even sometimes madam used to say, our children are making much of noise. The neighbors have said, that side we can hear. Near the garden side also, when I used to come from there, before starting the prayer, I can hear the sound of yours. So the road also, the sound can be heard. But such a situation is not occurred now. Everything was silent. So what are the things there? Opening and closing of the desk, lessons reported, with our hands and our ears to understand better, and the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. To control the children, teacher will rap on the table. So everything is missing. The class is in the dead silence. But now it is all so still. Still means what? Silent. I had counted on the common emotion to get my desk without being seen. But of course, the day everything had to be as quiet as Sunday morning. Or the Sunday morning we are at home, the classrooms are very quiet because no children go to school. The classroom will be quiet. Such a situation. What's happened on the Sunday, how this classroom and the school will be on Sundays, the same like only today, even though it is working day. Through the window, I saw my classmates already in their places, except narrator, all the others were present in that. And Mr. Hamel walking up and down with his terrible iron ruler under his arm. The children are sitting, his friends, all the friends came and they were sitting there. How this master was, he was taking a stick was under his arm and he was walking here and there. I had to open the door and go in before everybody. Already everybody was placed, he was late, he has to open the door and get into the class. You can imagine how I blushed and how I frightened I was. So we can imagine, not only imagine, we can feel the position of the narrator because he's late. Already he is very dull-headed regarding French, and except him, other boys were present there. So that too, he was opening the door. Even if it is open also, he can silently, he can go and mingle with the children. The door is closed. He has to open the door and get into the class. But nothing happened. He was worrying about what will happen. Now he shouted at us. But nothing has happened. Calmly, the sir said, go and get into the class. Mr. Hamel saw me and very kindly, go to your place quickly. Little Franz. So the narrator name is Franz. Go to the place, your place quickly, little Franz. We were beginning without you. What I said, we have started the classes. You came late, but before that we started the class. Can you join with us? The sir said. So till that I have to continue the lesson. Before that we'll go for the 2 questions. What is given till what I taught. What kind of news was usually put up on the bulletin board? Any you got the guides to learn. Just go through. It's in page number 162 in the second paragraph. What are the things in the bulletin board? All the bad news, the lost battle, the draft, the orders of the commanding officer. They were placed on the bulletin board. What was the usual scene in the school? That's in page number 163. There was a great bustle which could be heard out in the street. The opening and closing of the desk. Lessons repeated, the very loud, with our hands over ears and understand better. And the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. These 2 questions are there. Try to understand the lesson, learn, then and then. Thank you, children. We will continue in another class.